Hi, I'm going to making a teriyaki air-fried salmon. I have about 6 ounces of salmon. Before I start, I'm going to preheat the air fry for 5 minutes. Okay, I just let them run at 400 degrees about 5 minutes first. And I have about 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of the marin sauce. The bottle looks like this. 1/4 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of onion powder, about half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper. And I mix them well. And I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, I'm going to turn on the heat, and I put all the sugar, soy sauce, marin sauce, and then I put the cornstarch with water in it. Okay, looks good. You see they're more thick. So I'm going to turn on the heat. And I'm putting it in a bowl. I'm going to separate it half and half. Put the sauce into the salmon. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer. I'm going to put some oil in it. Okay, air fry for 400 for 10 minutes. Okay, this is about halfway from 10 minutes. I'm going to remove a little bit, and I'm going to brush more sauce in it. Okay, I'm going to finish another 5 minutes. Okay, another 5 minutes is up, so the fish is ready. Looks good. Okay, I make today the air fryer teriyaki salmon.